In this video, you'll discover how you can build your mailing list faster than ever before and get traffic on tap, and why building your list is the most valuable and profitable leverage point in your online business. Here are two well-known facts about marketing. 1. On average, 50 to 80% of new visitors to a website will leave and never return. And 2, it takes an average of 7 exposures or interactions before a purchase decision is finally made. Taken together, these two facts don't paint a pretty picture. On the one hand, it's crucial to get repeat interactions with visitors, but on the other hand, most of them never return for a second visit, let alone a 7th one. This is why building a mailing list is not just optional, it's essential, especially if your business falls into one of these 3 categories. You sell something on your website, either yourself or as an affiliate, your business model relies on getting traffic, or you have more than one product to sell, either yourself or as an affiliate. In short, for most businesses, a mailing list is by far the most powerful source of profit because it is the key to repeat visitors and relationship building. And that is why we created Thrive Leads. Thrive Leads is a WordPress plugin that turns your website into a lead generation machine so you can benefit from the power of a mailing list. But Thrive Leads is not just about building your mailing list. It's about building your mailing list faster, and that is an important distinction. There are already many ways to start collecting email addresses, but knowing the facts and realizing just how important your mailing list is, you'll agree that just adding a few sign-up forms to your site and calling it a day would be incredibly wasteful. This is why we built Thrive Leads to incorporate the best and most powerful conversion optimization and list building strategies all in one plugin. And here are some of the highlights. With Thrive Leads, you finally get one single plugin to cover all of your list building needs. You can use it to create pop-up light boxes, use it to create slide-in forms that slide in from the edge of the screen, or use it to insert forms anywhere inside your content or at the bottom of your posts. Use it to insert forms in any widget area on your site, such as a sidebar. You can also create 2-step opt-in links that open the lightbox on click, and you can add ribbon forms to your site. Simply choose from dozens of professionally designed and conversion optimized templates and use our intuitive visual editor to change the text, add your own images, choose custom colors, and edit anything to your heart's content. Thrive Leads forms are compatible with all major autoresponder services and even support advanced lead generation with multiple fields, checkboxes, radio buttons, and drop-down menus. But Thrive Leads doesn't just give you all these options, it also gives you a convenient way to use them to your full advantage. Remember, it's about building your list faster. And that is why Thrive Leads comes with the most powerful A/B testing engine ever to be included in a WordPress plugin. Once you've created an opt-in form, you can instantly create a duplicate of it with just one click. Then make a few changes to the text or design of the form using the visual editor. You can easily create one or several variations of your opt-in form in just a few minutes and then test them against each other to find the one that leads to the highest conversion rate. You can even set Thrive Leads to automatically eliminate the losing variations and display only the highest converting variation once enough data has been gathered. You just start the test and the plugin will handle the rest. No further input required. But it doesn't end there. Testing different designs is just scratching the surface of the Thrive Leads conversion features. You can just as easily test different opt-in triggers against each other and customize exactly when and how your form should appear. For example, do you want to show a pop-up after 10 seconds, which would be a time-based trigger, or once a visitor scrolls 50% down the page, which would be a scroll depth trigger? Or should you use the exit intent trigger, which detects when someone's about to leave your site and then opens the pop-up? Also, should the form appear instantly or should it animate into view? With Thrive Leads, you can test these and other triggers against each other to further boost your conversion rate. You can even test entirely different opt-in form types against each other, something that used to be technically difficult and costly. For example, test a pop-up lightbox against a slide-in form, or test a sidebar widget against a ribbon, or any other type of form you can think of. With Thrive Leads, you can also take testing to the next level and test entirely different offers against each other. You can connect different test variations to different mailing lists and different follow-up sequences to find out which ones yield the best results for your business. The bottom line is, Thrive Leads gives you testing capabilities far beyond any other opt-in software, and A/B testing is the fastest way to double or triple your conversion rates and accelerate your list growth. And the conversion features don't end there. One of the most powerful ways to get higher conversion rates is to make your offers more relevant. And Thrive Leads includes smart targeting features to implement this strategy. With Thrive Leads, you can easily create a catch-all offer that shows across your entire website. But you can also create specific designs and specific opt-in forms to show based on advanced targeting rules, including targeting by categories, tags, post formats, and more. With the targeting options, you can create highly relevant offers to show to exactly the right segments of your audience at the right time, and you can use this feature to create hyper-targeted and extremely profitable lists. This is a technique that marketing pros have been using for a long time, and with Thrive Leads, you can finally benefit from it as well without needing any coding skills or extremely expensive subscription services. And of course, everything you create with Thrive Leads is fully mobile responsive and looks great on any device and screen size. You'll also be able to keep track of exactly how your forms are performing using our extensive reports and stats. And in addition, we've got you covered with an outstanding support team and a 30-day money-back guarantee, so you can start using Thrive Leads without any risk on your part. What it all comes down to is this. A mailing list is simply the most valuable asset you can create for your online business. Nothing gives you on-demand traffic and access to repeat customers like a list of email subscribers. And Thrive Leads is simply the best, most powerful way to turn your WordPress website into a highly effective list building machine. So take this opportunity to get your copy of Thrive Leads and start growing your mailing list faster than ever before.